Hi, today we're gonna make Chinese barbecue chicken wing. Okay, and we're gonna use about 3 pounds of chicken wing. Depend how you want them. Okay, the chicken wing, you cut them all 2 pieces. You just you don't use a tip, and after that we're gonna use a cornstarch into it. Just sprinkle some on it. Just just want to have them a little coating on it. See, not too much, not too much. Just like that. So the outside got a little coating on it. See. Okay. After that, we're gonna put it into a fry pan. We're gonna put it in the pan. We're gonna put some oil into it. Any kind of oil will be fine, and just a little bit because the chicken wing itself have oil coming out. So we just need a little oil on the bottom of the pan. That's it. Just a real slightly little oil. And after that, we're gonna put the oil in, chicken wing into it. See, like that. Okay, so we just get enough pan to room to put it in there. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands. So take me a bit more time to kind of get them cooked through. Yeah. Okay, so you just, when it's brown, so you just turn them over a little bit. Now take your time to kind of brown them up, so you can see all browning up, you know. Okay, then they look pretty brown. You also can check the temperature. $67, so it should be done. Okay, then now we're gonna make the sauce. Put it in there. See? Only thing, we have to turn the thing down a little bit. Turn it to kind of low heat because you put the sauce in, so you don't want to burn it because the sauce will burn the chicken wing. So. Okay, so we're going to use around probably 4 tablespoons of sauce. Well, maybe I'll just put it in here. 1, 2, we need, I think, around 4. Okay, so it's 4 in there. Okay, then after that, so we get the heat is low, so we just take time to kind of bend them, kind of make them all together. See. We're going to add a little bit of oyster sauce into it. See, just a little bit. Okay. About maybe 2 tablespoons. See, it's just using a little bit higher heat, and you just the last couple minutes, and you're gonna kind of browning them up, kind of dry. It's like you dry up the sauce. So the sauce getting thicker. You see that? Getting thicker. You see how the color? You see how it look like? It's nice, you know, real good color. And also get the seasoning, the flavor into the wing too. You know, if they do that, because the sauce concentrate the meat. You know. You see that getting more browner and browner. Okay, it's ready. So we're gonna pick them up. See? We're gonna pick them up. See, right there. Okay. And we're gonna spray some honey on it, on top. Just a little bit on top. And little green onions. And this is Chinese barbecue sauce chicken wing.